Okay, so here two velocities are acting. One is acting along x-axis, other one acting along y-axis. Here x-axis will be considered as the east, y-axis is considered as the north. Hence, what is the center of mass of speed? V is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 by m1 plus m2. Modulus of VCM is equal to. Here given that mass as well as speeds both are same, mv plus mv. So what is the magnitude? Magnitude can be written as the root of x square plus y square p square plus q square plus 2pq cos theta we had, right? No, 2pq cos theta we had, right? But cos 90 is 0. That's why we don't write to, we need not to write. Okay, so that's why up to here only I am writing. Okay, 2pq cos theta will become 0. So final answer will be say v by root 2, that is along axis along northeast direction. This is north, this is east. That's why direction will be along northeast direction. Direction will be along northeast. Two blocks of equal mass are tied with a light string which passes over a mass pulley as shown. The magnitude of acceleration of center of mass of both blocks is, see here 60 degree slope is given, here 30 degrees given. So tension T always acts towards the point of suspension. So let us consider this is m1, this is m2. Of course, we are provided with m1 is equal to m2 is equal to m. Let us consider for our convenience, as it is the slope is greater, allowed to accelerate like this. Okay, allowed to expected to like this. Then it can be resolved with two vectors. That is here see m1g acting. So this is theta. m1g sin theta is acting like this. Here m2g sin theta is acting like this. m2g sin theta acting like this. Now FBD for m1 for this body. FBD for m1. FBD for m1 is mg sin theta. mg sin theta minus t is equal to ma. mg sin theta minus t is equal to ma. Or say m1. Here it is sin 60. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Now for this one, as this is accelerating like this, here t greater than m2g sin theta. So I will write t minus m2g sin, here we have 30 degree. That is equal to m2a. Of course, by adding these two we get, by adding these two expressions, see m1g sin 60 minus t plus t minus m2g sin 30 is equal to m1a plus m2a. m1 is equal to m2. That's why I will write mg sin 60 root 3 by 2 minus t plus t gets cancelled minus mg sin 30 1 by 2 is equal to ma plus ma. So that m gets cancelled. So root 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 into g is equal to 2a. That implies a is equal to g by 2 or root 3 by minus 1. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 into g by 2. Finally, acceleration a is equal to root 3 minus 1 into g by 4. That is the acceleration. Acceleration a is equal to root 3 minus 1 into g by 4. Of course. Now, for these two systems, acceleration ACM is equal to, we can write m1a1 bar plus m2a2 bar by m1 plus m2. Now what about the magnitude of ACM? Modulus of ACM is equal to root of m into a square plus m into a square. Why? Because of masses are same as well as accelerations are same. So m plus m, modulus of ACM is equal to 2ma square, 2m square a square root of by 2m. that is equal to root 2 m into a by 2m. M gets cancelled. M gets cancelled. Now ACM can be written as say root 2 by 2. Root 2 once, so root 2 2. So root 2 by 2 can be written as say 1 by root 2 into a. That equal to 1 by root 2 into, what is the expression for acceleration? That is, we get root 3 minus 1, root 3 minus 1 by 4, root 3 minus 1 by 4 into g. Root 3 minus 1 by 4 into g. Okay, that simply answer can be written as simply, I will write here, answer will be ACM is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 4 root 2 into g is the final answer. Okay, so here we have to go through the resolution of vectors. Here a balloon of mass capital M is stationary in air. It has a ladder on it which a man of mass m is standing. If the man starts climbing up with a velocity v relative to the ladder, the velocity of the balloon is, see here is the balloon like this. Here is the balloon as shown in the figure. Balloon is like this. Now a ladder. Ladder is in the sense of with thread, of course. It looks like this. Ladder looks like this. So here is the person is climbing up. A person is climbing. Okay, a person is climbing up with velocity v. Person is climbing with velocity v. Here is the velocity of balloon is equal to 0. Why? Because of that is at rest. So as the person is going up, now that is the person is going up, and hence mass of the person is small m and balloon mass is say capital M. Now what about the VCM? VCM can be written as m1 v1 plus m2 v2 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 is equal to capital M, m2 is equal to small m. Now VCM is equal to m1 v1 capital M into 0, initial velocity is 0, plus small m into v by capital M plus small m. So VCM is equal to m into v by capital M plus small m. It will be acting downward direction. Why? Because of, as that is the person is moving towards it, so center of mass will be shift towards downward direction. So that direction will be given as nothing but VCM is equal to m into v by m plus m. So the distance between center of mass of carbon and oxygen atoms in the carbon monoxide gas molecule is 1.13 to 10 power minus 10 meter. The distance of center of mass molecules relative to the carbon atom is, carbon, see here, this is carbon center, oxygen, O2. See, this is the line joining between them, of course. This is the center, but center of mass will be located nearer to the heavier mass, of course, oxygen. So let us consider that is XCM. The distance between them is say 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. And always we are assuming that is nothing but from here is the origin. Okay, origin 0, 0. Then what about the distance here? See x1 y1. Here x2 y2. 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10 comma 0. This is x2 y2. Over, we know that is the expression xm is equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2, as it is origin, near origin. Of course, carbon 12 atomic mass units or unified mass units, oxygen 16 AMU. So 12 into 0 plus 16 into x2, 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10 by 12 plus 16, that is equal to 0 plus 16 into 1.13 into 10 power minus 10, 10 power minus 10 by 18, 28, 28. So 16 by 28 into 1.13 into 10 power minus 10. So that is equal to 4 fourths, 4 sevenths. So 4 into 0.428, 428, 4 8s 32, 4 8s 32, okay, roughly 4 8s 32, 0.28 into 4, 4 8s 32, 4 2s 8, 11, roughly 1.12 into 10 power minus 10, 1.12 into 10 power minus 10 will be the answer. 1.12, 0.28 into 4, 0.28 into 4, okay, 0.028, just wait. So that is equal to 16 by 28, small modification, 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10, 10 to the power of minus 10. So 4 by 7, 4 by 7 into 1.13 into 10 to the power of minus 10, that is equal to 4 into 7 ones 0.717, 43 is there, no? 7 sixes 43, 7 ones of course 0.16, 0.16 into 10 power minus 10, 0.16 into 4, 4 sixes 24, 4 ones 4, 6, that is 0.64, 0.64 into 10 to the power of minus 10 meters approximately, that is XCM, okay, 0.64 into 10 power minus 10 meter relative to the carbon atom.